Hello and welcome to Nexa Fashion. Today we are going to be drafting a basic sleeve, a short sleeve. Yes, that's what we're going to be drafting. So I joined this paper to enable me to have it unfold. So I folded it together. And then what I'm going to start by is drafting, giving a line for our starting point. Okay, so this part is unfold, and then the length of the sleeve for today is going to be 6 inches because it's a short sleeve. Adult sleeves can be from 5 to 8 inches, but today we're going to be having it on 6 inch. Okay, so you dropped 6 inch and you have another 6 inch here, and you connect them like you see me do. Connect it together. You add 1.5 inch across like this too, and you connect it like this. Okay, and then you come down here and you measure the round of your sleeve. When I was drafting it on the shirt, I came down by 7, and that is exactly what I'm doing here. Now from this 7 point here, I'll go in by 3 inches. Okay, go in by 3. I'll do the same here so that I'll be able to draft the line. Okay, so there we go. 7 inch. So here to here is 3 inches. Okay, so you draw a line, or you rule a line across a diagonal line to meet the 3 inches that you went in by. And then you measure the wideness. I have 7.75. Then you take the midpoint of 7.75 using your ruler. You don't have to use calculator. So you get the midpoint like this. Okay, so we're almost there. Then you bring in your French curve. Okay, what I usually do is I usually come down here by half an inch. That is where my curve is going to rest on. Okay, so you curve it up like this. Then you turn your ruler or the French curve. You curve this inwards. It's supposed to have this S shape. Let me highlight it with the red marker. Okay, you have it like this. So that is it. So the wideness of the sleeve, where your hand is going to go out in, I want it to be 5 inch wide. So as I was saying, 5 inch wide here, but I'm going to make it 6 inch together with our stitching allowance, and then connect it down here like so. Okay, then you cut it out at the allowance line or on the allowance line. Okay, then you cut it out like this, then you open it up. Okay, you're supposed to extend the lines. I'm supposed to extend the line like this. Where is my marker? Okay, so I extend the line. Also extend this line. So I fold this inwards. Okay. Fold it in like this. Let me just do it and fold it like this. Okay, so fold it inwards, cut it out, this out as well. Okay, and this is what we have. Don't forget, this is my phone. Okay, so this is it. So like the front part is not supposed to be the same as the back part, so I'm going to label it the back, and this is the front. So I'm going to remove a few let me say just a few out from probably, let's say, up to half inches. So I'm using this. Just watch me, just watch me, just watch me. Okay, or let me use the marker to actually just take it out. Okay, yeah, so you take it out like so. Okay, so this is the front and this is the back. Okay, so when you come to cut your fabric, you fold it into, if you see it, you see that the back is bigger and the front is a little bit in. Okay, this is especially female sleeves. Please give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more of this kind of videos. Thank you very much.